Today I'm going to be working on a 1997 Toyota Century.
The truth.
Alright, so this box just came in from Esty. Let's open it up and take a look at how good this shift knob looks like. I like that wood finish it's got on there. Looks really nice. But let's go screw it on the Century shifter and see how well it looks inside the car. Alright, so before we do this quick modification, let's get the car cover off, or at least halfway off so I can get inside. Alright, so I noticed the wood grain's a little bit lighter, but it's not off by that much. They did have different colored wood grains. This is the one I picked, and I guess I'm just a shade lighter than what's in here stock. If it bothers me too much, I'm going to go ahead and swap it out for a next darker shade. But let's take this one off. Let's unscrew this guy. Nastiness off. Looks like plastic was on there to hold that together. Almost looks like a plastic bag was on there or something. I don't know. That's Teflon. I don't know what that was. Now let's get our new guy on here. So many threads. It's starting to tighten up. Gotta be getting close to the end. Last turn. There we go. Just looking at this thing a second ago, it's just nasty. Like, they put all kinds of glue and stuff in there, whoever the previous owner was. I doubt the dealership did this one. They probably just received it this way. But yeah, they just put a bunch of glue, wedged it on there, and just called it a day. And I guess it's a quick, cheap fix, but it's still nasty. I don't know how well you can see that. Oh yeah, there it goes. Now focusing. Just all kinds of nasty. And then you guys saw the Teflon on the threads that were through there. So, yeah, it's good. We replaced it. So, yeah, be ready for more modifications to come. Alright, so no, this wasn't like a super game-changing modification to the car. And I don't even know if I want to call it an actual modification or not, if it's just a enhancement over, well, the old one. I did notice the old one's got like a leather grip around it. I do kind of like the wood grip. I mean, it's not like I'm shifting gears, it's more just changing gears. So I think the all wood will be just fine. It feels pretty good. And I know earlier in the video I was calling it a shift knob. I guess it's more of a gear knob. But, I mean, I guess the two words can be interchangeable, if anything. But I do like the way it looks. It does fit the wood that's in here now. Like I said, it's a shade lighter. But, honestly, I don't think it's really going to bother me that much. If it does bother me in the long run, I'll probably just order a new one. But for now, I think this is perfectly fine for me. So I know this wasn't like a super in-depth video or anything. But it is the first modification of many that are coming for this car. So just be on the lookout for more coming for the Century itself. Suspension will be here in a couple days, my time. I've got the new hood support shocks. They're in a box in the garage right now. I'm going to be putting them on here next day or so. I think that's all the modifications that I've got at the moment. But definitely got a lot more in the pipeline coming for this car. There's a lot of things I want to fix. That's just glare. I thought it scratched. There's a lot of things that need to be fixed on this car. Like I was pointing out in the reveal video. But this is just the first one, and it's a quick, easy one. But yeah, hope you guys liked this video and future ones to come on this car. Definitely got a lot more stuff coming, like I just said. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this content. I know there's not a whole lot of content on Centuries out there. On at least YouTube that I've found. Not many people modifying these things or doing anything much with them. I found one guy who does modify his. He has like a custom exhaust on his and air suspension and all that kind of stuff. But other than that, there's not many people out there on YouTube. So maybe those will kind of open your guys' eyes to a Century. It's not like it's going to be a race car or anything like that. But it is a nice kind of luxury kind of car. So I'm going to try and keep it that way best I can. And yeah, hope you guys like the content. See y'all in the next one. Here's the seller's contact information if you want to get one for yourself or any of the other ones they have for any of the other cars. If you liked any of the background music that was in this video, check out the link to the artist page down in the description of this video.